right, so there's the beginning of I'm Bad, I'm Nationwide by ZZ Top. We're going to have this up and down on that 11 on the second string. And then we have a 10 on the G string to the 8 to 10 on the D. So we got, it almost sounds like he hits an 8 here a little bit, but sometimes it doesn't. It's like, kind of hits some kind of a note, but it might not be that 8, kind of just like a. And then we're going to go. So that's 8, 10 on the A, then 8 on the D. Quick slide, 10 to 8, 6, 8, 6. So we got. So 8, 6, 8, 6 at the end. There we go. Do that same beginning riff and then. So that's the 12 on the G and the 11 on the B string. And those are triplets, and you slide into each of the first triplets. So it's like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a... Okay, so we're going to bend that 10 on the G and then hit that little 8. And then we bend the 10 up and down, go to the 8 and the 10 on the D. And then bend up to the little 8 again. And I use my palm way down here to try to get all those strings so that when you're shaking those vibratos on these bottom couple of strings, you won't hit extra strings, get them wobbling and stuff. So I'm able to shake that real good, but I got my palm going way down and getting all the way down to that second string so I don't get any extra noise. And then, so that was 18 to 20 on the B string and then 20 to 18 on the E string. Same thing, you can shake it if you're muting those strings next to it. So I'll go over all that again. We got. Okay, then we're into the rhythm for the verse. We're gonna have like a honky-tonk thing off this C chord, so 8 and 10. Pinky on the 12 coming in on the A string there. We're gonna go. And it kind of sounds like he goes into the 8s over here on that last one before the second measure. Then we're jumping down to the F. Kind of a straight one back to the C. Kind of slide into that F sometimes if you want. So the whole verse kind of goes C, second time, F, back to C, C 2 more times, F, C, I'm bad. So we rest on the first beat of that, and we're going to have this chord 12, 10, 11. So it's going to go 1. And then we're going to have this chord 6, 4, and 5. It's going to slide in a half step into the 7, 5, and 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we rest on the first one, then we hit this new chord, this F kind of chord, 7, 5, 6. So we go rest. Now what that is 6 on the A, 4 and 4, sliding up 1 fret into the 7, 5. So the whole thing would be like rest, 3, 4, rest, and rest. We have one little bar of C in between, then we got. This time we're going to hit the 10s on the G and B to the 8s, make it a little bluesy, little slight bends and stuff. Okay, so then we're back into a new verse. Rest. 3, 4, rest. 3, 4, C. Okay, we're back into that riff. Now we're gonna get into a solo here. Rest. So we're gonna have a double bend here, 10s on the G and B. And it could either be like these 8s here in the G and B, or you could do like the D and G strings. Kind of hammer into that 10. Kind of sounds like, and it kind of sounds like sometimes too, so you might mix it up a little bit. So we're gonna have. Now this is interesting. So this is triplets, and it's going back and forth. I find this easier with my fingers than with a pick. So it's like 1 and 2 and or you could look at it as 1 and a 1 and because we got to go 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4. So it's okay, pretty wild, right? So 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4. Okay, and then we're into that same kind of riff. Rest. Now this one's gonna go rest. Then we're gonna go. So this one goes 1 to 3 on the D, and then it goes. That's a 1s chord, G and B strings to the 3 here. We're gonna alternate 1s to 3, 3s to 3. The last one kind of holds that, so it's. Okay, so pretty wild. He does that 3 times through all those riffs. And then we get into the actual solo after that. So it's like rest. So we're gonna have an 8, second string, little bend on that 8 on the G, to the 10 on the D. At the very end of that measure, a little 8 at the end. So it's 1. So we have a 10 bend, regular 10, and then bend again. 8, 10. So it's 1. So we're gonna have a, and then we have a quick riff. We have a, so 10 to 8, 10 on the A, back to 10 on the D. So these are like 16th notes, so like 1 E and a, 2 E and a. So 10, 8, 10, 10, then 10 to 8, 10 on the A to 8 on the D, 10, 9. Got your flat fifth there. 8, 6, 8, 6 again, big 8. So 1. Now we're gonna have a big 3, quick hammer 1 to 3, little bend on that 1 on the D string. We have a 3 and then a 1. We're gonna hit that 3 at the end of that measure, and then we're gonna have a 1 on the D, 3 on the A, 1 on the D, bend the 3 there, so that's 1 on the D, 3 to 3, D to A. So we got 1. Rest. So we got 1, 1, 3, lower 1, 2 3s, and a couple 1s at the end there on the A and D strings. So we got rest. Now we're gonna have a bend on the 10 on the G, 8, 2 10s here, 8 over here in the D, a couple 8s down here to a 10. So we got. We're gonna bend that 10, hold it a bit, hit the little 8, slide into that 13, give a little 11 half bend there kinda. Then we're gonna have, so we got this double bend to the 8, 10s, 8s, 10 on the D, hammer, Here we have a rest, 8, 8, 8, 9, 10. So here we get into the end, we got 10, 10. Bend those up and down. Kind of doing 10s to 10s. Pull off 10 to 8, then we got. So same stuff from the beginning there, but let's look at that solo again. So we got rest. So we do another verse and chorus then, and we're back into the riff. Now here's the groove for the last solo, and just think about jamming in your C minor pentatonic. Right, so we got, it's gonna go. So kind of a bass note C, and then the C minor 7 here, we got the 8s on the D, G, and B, so we got. Kind of hold that third one longer. 8s to 10s there, so it's 3, 4. So we got a cool riff here that goes with the bass. And that goes every fourth time of the riff, so it's like. So it's 3 to 1 on the A, and then we're going chromatic. So 3, 2, 1, oh, 1, 2, 3. Back to that 1 right there. So it's. So we go down again, 3, 2, 1, oh, 1, 2, and then you're back to the riff up here. So. Practice your C minor pentatonics, just jam out on that one. So all right, so that's my first ZZ Top song so far. I don't know what took so long, but I love those guys. So I'm Bad, I'm Nationwide, Billy Gibbons still kicking it. Got 2 pages of tabs. Hope you dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks.